Welcome to the English Vocabulary Quiz. We've got 3 levels: beginner, intermediate and advanced. Your challenge: score 9 out of 10 in a section to prove your level. Are you ready to test your English? Let's begin. Beginner level. One, big. Huge. 2, happy. Cheerful. 3, small. Tiny. 4, cold. Freezing. 5, fast. Quick. 6, beautiful. Lovely. 7, rich. Wealthy. 8, smart. Clever. 9, hot. Warm. 10, sad. Miserable. So how did you do? Let's come to section 2 of our quiz. Intermediate level. 11, reluctant. Hesitant. 12, abundant. Plentiful. 13, fragile. Delicate. 14, temporary. Provisional. 15, generous. Charitable. 16, essential. Necessary. 17, predict. Foresee. 18, rescue. Save. 19, increase. Expand. 20, dangerous. risky. What's your score in this one? Let's get into final section of the quiz. Advanced level. 21. Meticulous. Precise. 22. Ambiguous. Vague. 23. Transient. Short-lived. 24. Scrutinize. Inspect. 25. Resilient. Hardy. 26. Pragmatic. Practical. 27. Obsolete. Outdated. 28. Eloquent. Persuasive. 29. Diligent. Industrious. 30. Inevitable. Unavoidable. So, how did you do? Beginner, intermediate, or advanced, which level did you master? Tell us your score in the comments and don't forget to challenge your friends.